Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. In this episode of the ReviewHunt.com, I'm going to break down the top 5 best portable welding machines on the market. Before we get started with our video detailed, we include links to the description section. Make sure you check those out. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates. Now, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, the HITBOX ARC 200A is one of the best transportable welders for home use. It's a wonderful tool for repairing window frames, broken doors, or any other home repairing installations. It comes in useful when you've to take care home or workshop projects to carry out. This incredible powerful machine is capable of running for half an hour at 150 amp, but it peaks at 190 A. With a welding range of 10 to 190 A, it also has 40% of the duty cycle. It runs on a standard 220 DC power, but there is an inverter machine MMA 200ZX7 as part of the package. Despite the considerable power potential, it's weighing just 6.3 pounds, this welding machine is portable, and, therefore, can be carried to any job site. Furthermore, its compact size 9 by 4 by 4.9 inches increases its portability as well as making it much easier to store when it is not in use. Specifications: material thickness 8 mm, duty cycle 40%. Amperage range 10 to 190 A, input power 110/200ths of a volt 50/60ths of a hertz. Weldable materials: mild steel or stainless steel, weight 6.3 pounds. At number 4, the Super Deal Pro MIG 130 is packed with all necessary accessories, cuts out on extra expenses. Relatively, it's a durable machine thanks to the rugged build. Using the best quality of stainless steel material to build, hence strong. MIG welders are widely considered as the best welders beginners can begin with. It comes with a digital soft key control panel that offers a clear overview all times. Variable 4 different speed buttons are min, max, 1/2, which perfectly suits it for a number of welding tasks. Moreover, the user-friendly interface makes it simpler to operate. As a wire welding machine, it does much better work than stick welders because it uses a little amount of current and easily handles 16-gauge to sheet metal. Furthermore, while other welding labor to successfully weld aluminum, the Flux core welding set does so with aplomb. It also includes extra 2 tips, ground cord, 0.55 pounds welding wire, a protection mask, a reel of 0.9 mm, and a brush chipping hammer. Specifications: material thickness, steel and carbon steel 0.023 to 0.035, flux cord 0.030 to 0.035. Duty cycle, 35% at 60 A, amperage range, 50 to 120 A, input power, 110 volts 60 Hz. Weldable materials, mild steel, stainless steel, weight, 38 pounds. Coming at number 3, the Forney 140 FCI MIG is designed for both professional users and DIY or hobbyists. It comes with all the essential features and is extremely simple to operate. Along with lots of accessories material, this will undoubtedly be in your shortlist of best Forney welder of MIG type. Featuring a flux core wire and permits users to choose their own wire feed speed and voltage freely. Additionally, the powerful welding unit features a 140 ampere output which allows you to work on some steel alloys with ease. One thing that makes users the peace of mind is its weight. The entire housing weighs 19 pounds, that makes it an ideal choice for versatile operation in a garage, the workshop, fabrication unit. Being portable and lightweight does not mean that the Forney Easy Weld is made up of inferior materials. Contrarily, the welding unit has an all-metal casing that allows more prevents and convection from overheating even after regular use. We recommend you to take all the safety precautions when using this tool and advise you to use a face mask while performing any kind of welding job to protect your eyes from exposure. Specifications: material thickness, 1/4 in. Duty cycle, 30% at 90 A, amperage range, 140 A, input power, 120 volts 60 Hz. Weldable materials, mild steel, weight, 19 pounds. At number 2, for all welders, this GOPLUS MIG 130 is an incredible household welder choice that will meet your welding demands. In the meantime, it's a great addition for both the professional and the DIY enthusiast who needs a well-made AC flux core welding machine. For the occasional user or home gamer, this unit is a champ. This compact and exquisite machine has been made from heavy-duty stainless steel, which guarantees long-term service. Plus, it has the ability to weld steel and other tough metals with ease. Coming with a powerful multifunctional controller that features 4 current levels and a rotating knob to adjust the wire feeding speed. To complete control to the users, this welder also comes with 10 speed levels and adjustable heating. 2. Prevent it from hampering work, the GOPLUS welder comes with a flux cored metal tip that out inert gas while welding. The welding system also comes with a hidden store space on the top which can be used to organize some small accessories. Additionally, the welder also comes with a high-quality overheat protection unit that provides an automatic thermal protection system and air vents to keep the temperature in an acceptable range. Specifications: material thickness 3/16 to 1/4 in. Duty cycle, 15% at 105 A, amperage range, 50 to 120 A, input power, 110 volts 60 Hz. Weldable materials, steel, weight, 35 pounds. Take in the top spotted, the Hobart 140 MIG, also known as the Hobart Handler 559, is a MIG welder with high quality and impressive power. No wonder its portable and compact design is best for home repairing work to auto body repairing, and so on. Even it doesn't need any additional setup to work on steel, stainless alloys, and aluminum. Right out of the box, the quality of the welder is very clean to see. As it comes in a compact size and is the most compact MIG welder from Hobart. Therefore, if your work needs moving around, you'll find it a handy welder. It weighs in only 57 pounds and is ideal for DIYers and homeowners who take welding as a hobby. This 110V machine has a flux core capacity which makes it enable of working thick gauge steel, even 24 gauge up to 1/4 in thick materials. Plus, it can deliver current as low as 25 amperes or as high as 140 amperes. With a 5-position tapped voltage control, this 115V machine allows you to select how you want to tune your arc. Moreover, it has a 20% duty cycle too, which means it is a time-effective beast and one of the best MIG welders in its class. Specifications: material thickness, 1/4 in. Duty cycle, 20% at 90 A, amperage range, 25 to 140 A, input power, 115 volts, weldable materials, steel, stainless steel, aluminum, weight, 35 pounds. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful to you, please, make sure like, and subscribe. If you have any queries about these top 5 best portable welding machines, you can leave comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.